Hello traders, the title of the video is what is an exhaustion candlestick bar. So you may say to me, George, I have been trading candlestick bar for years and I have never heard about an exhaustion candlestick bar. Give it to me now. All right. If you have been using candlestick bar, if you are a candlestick bar trader, you must understand what is an exhaustion candlestick bar. Most importantly, when and where an exhaustion candlestick bar is likely to take place. Do you trade stock, futures, currencies, commodities, indices? What do you trade in the financial markets? All right. For those who are trading stock, most importantly stock or any other financial instrument, you have to understand that we can simplify the market into two groups. The smart market participant and what we call the dump money. When I start trading fresh, I hate when I hear traders talking about dump money. What they are calling dump money are traders that are losing consistently, and also traders that do not understand the financial market, how it's structured, how it functions. You want to know and you want to understand it. The stock, the financial market is divided into two groups, the smart money and the dump money. Which one are you? Or are you still in the dump money? Or are you transiting into the smart money? Or are you a dump money that understand, how the smart money is trading or investing? If you are a dump money that understand how the smart money is trading, you are no more a dump money. You may be an ordinary trader, ordinary investor, a small fish in a big, waters, all right? You don't want to be a big fish in a frying pan, yes or no? All right, we do not want that, all right? Okay, so here we are. So in the financial market, as I said to you, there are two groups, the smart money or the dump money. It's not something that trader will easily accept, but this is the reality, all right? So, very often, the dump money will annoy, the smart money. How? All right, I will explain it to you. So, the price is going up from A to B, the price is going up, and it starts showing some weaknesses. Here, start showing some weaknesses. The dump money will start selling. All right, they will start selling because it starts showing weaknesses. RSI is exhibiting the bearish divergence. Technical indicator showing all kind of signs that it's going to go down. But the smart money will say, we will not sell here, we will sell at the highest price. We know that it's struggling, but we'll sell somewhere up here. What usually takes place, as this fight, so to speak, between the dump money and the smart money is taking place, very often, my friend, the smart money will win. By winning, they will create what we call the exhaustion candlestick bar. The first characteristic of exhaustion candlestick bar is that they are long candlestick bar, what I call a long range or a long body candlestick bar. So if you have a candlestick bar like this and you draw a line at the high of that candlestick bar and another line at the low of that candlestick bar, the range from the low to the high will be quite tall. It's a tall candlestick bar. So the exhaustion candlestick bar very often will be long range candlestick bar. That's the first thing that you want to know. The second thing that you will want to know is that the exhaustion candlestick bar will usually bring the price to a target level. Now, traders that are following us at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, Today, no clearing that the financial market, no financial market will go up or down for no reason. All financial instruments, currencies, futures, indices, ETF, all right, stocks, always are headed to a specific price target level. As a technical trader, as a market participant, one must know where is the target. Why? Because if you are in dumb money and you start paying attention to the target level, you start asking the question, where is the price headed? Where is it going? If you start asking that question and you determine the midpoint target and the ultimate target, you are no more a dumb money, you are becoming a smart money. All right? So, the exhaustion candlestick bar very often will bring the price to a target level. So, first thing, they are long range candlestick bar, and very often they will bring the price to a target level. Very often, another thing that we can say about the exhaustion candlestick bar is that either they will occur at a specific key resistance level or a specific support level. All right. So we have one example here. So what I was explaining to you is that the price start going up, okay, is heading to a target level. Now it starts showing the weaknesses, and the dumb money will start selling. But the smart money does not like that. So therefore, they will push the price to the target level to sell. What they are doing, they will place orders at the target level, at the key level where they want to sell. So they will literally speaking, they will place orders at the place where they want to sell to sell. Those orders will attract the price, not a market manipulation. They just say, we want to buy here. So, if many people place orders at a specific price to buy or to sell, the price will go and fill those orders. The market makers might fill those orders. Understand that, my friend? So, because the ordinary traders, or what we call the dumb money, try to sell at the early stage, but there are orders here to sell, the price will go quickly to fill those orders, creating what we call the exhaustion candlestick bar. That candlestick bar, that's why it's long. So they take, if you watch rugby or American football, you understand that. So they will take it and run with it to the target level, creating what we call the exhaustion candlestick bar. Those exhaustion candlestick bar will help us to make excellent decisions. There is another phenomenon in the financial market, which we talked about before. It's a high volatility is usually followed by what? A low volatility. Those exhaustion candlestick bar are usually volatile. All right? They are volatile. Long range are volatile. So, because of the high volatility that induce, that those exhaustion candlestick bar carry, they usually follow by a low volatility. So when we have a high volatility followed by a low volatility, we are talking about a reversal. So you will see very often, as the smart money want to sell at a specific price level, the ordinary traders start selling fast. And the smart money will push the price very fast to the target level where they will sell. All right. So sometimes you see here, this is not clear here, because you see that people start selling here. They start selling here. And then the price went here. Why, in the name of God, so to speak, why this candlestick bar is long? Because too many orders were placed here to sell. Those orders were filled and the price crashed down, creating a bearish engulfment that has engulfed 3 bullish candlestick bar. You see here, orders, there were orders here. So the exhaustion candlestick bar, as I told trader in a previous video that we titled Candlestick Pattern Trader, explains what is a distinctive candlestick bar. I was telling trader that the exhaustion candlestick bar is also one example of a distinctive candlestick bar. A distinctive candlestick bar will reflect the activity of the smart money. So there's a down money, there's a small money. Now, if you understand, if you watch that video about the distinctive candlestick bar and this one about the exhaustion candlestick bar, you start turning from a down money into a smart money. And you will start making better trading decisions. So, as I explained to you, price going to a specific target level. Here, as I told you, was not too bad. Sometime, what you will see here, instead of many candlestick bar bringing the price to the target level, if the down money continue to delay the price to reach the target level, if the down money continue to step their feet on the smart money or continue to annoy the smart money, sometimes you will see a tall candlestick bar pushing the price very fast, either in one day, in 1 week, or in 1 month, very fast to the target level, where others are filled before another exhaustion candlestick bar will be in place. So you may see like this, price going up gently, people start knowing the smart money, and then the smart money push it to the target level with a candlestick bar, something like a long candlestick bar. We bring it to the target level, followed by another. That long candlestick bar is what we call the exhaustion candlestick bar, followed by another long candlestick bar. So the exhaustion candlestick bar is the candlestick bar that is very long, that brings the price to the target level at the time when the down money was delaying the price to hit the target level. So you may say to me, George, show me one example of this one here. This is an exhaustion candlestick bar. But we could have called, you see, all these candlestick bar going out should be what we call an exhaustion candlestick bar. But because the exhaustion candlestick bar did not show up here, this one here is now revealing that this is an exhaustion candlestick bar. This one is an exhaustion candlestick bar. Alright, people continue to push the price up here. We're pushing it up here. The smart money say, no, we do not want to continue to bring it up from here. We want to buy here. We want to buy here. So for those reasons, orders will be placed here to buy. Those are not market manipulation. They want to buy. So the market manipulation will consist of placing orders there and then cancelling them. That if you do that, the SEC, you know what is the SEC? SEC. Google it. SEC will be chasing you. All right. Those are not market manipulation. So normal order, legitimate orders were placed here to buy. The market orders must fill those orders. Do you understand it now? Now, those orders attract the price from up there all the way down here. That long candlestick bar is what we call an exhaustion candlestick bar. They also are distinctive candlestick bar. And if you are using candlestick bar, if you are a candlestick pattern trader, you want to understand what is a candlestick bar, be able to recognize an exhaustion candlestick bar, and most importantly, understand what is taking place. Right? So to summarize this tutorial, the exhaustion candlestick bar, very often the first characteristic of an exhaustion candlestick bar is that it will be a long candlestick bar, a long range candlestick bar. They usually occur either at a key support or resistance level. They usually bring the price to a specific target level. Alright, so those are the things. And an exhaustion candlestick bar is also what we call a distinctive candlestick bar because they reflect the activity of the smart money. Alright, So this will conclude our discussion today about what is an exhaustion candlestick bar. We have a bullish exhaustion candlestick bar and also a bearish exhaustion candlestick bar. They are powerful candlestick bar that can help a day or swing trader or technical trader or investor to know what is taking place in the financial market. When the dump money is annoying the smart money, very often the only solution for the smart money to bring the price to the target level is to use what we call the exhaustion candlestick bar. The reason why we call it the exhaustion because it's signaling the end of the prior move. So traders who know about the exhaustion gap, so if you don't know about gap trading, go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on gap trading. You will know about the exhaustion gap. Like we have, similarly to the exhaustion gap, we also have exhaustion candlestick bar. Alright. So if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and of course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. So this will conclude our discussion today about what is an exhaustion candlestick bar. If this video has been truly useful to you personally, you think that this video has helped you one way or another, let us know by sticking your beautiful thumbs up, and that will help. That will put the smile on my big face. Alright. If you think that, George, I'm not very impressed, alright, you have not done a good job, that was a poor performance, mark it down, and that will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. However, if you think that this is an essential tutorial that can help other traders that are using candlestick bar, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, alright, don't go away, alright. Click on here, just log in and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click on the bell icon. That will help you. So you subscribe, there's an icon there, a bell icon there, click on it, and anytime we record a video, you'll be notified and say that, all right, George, that boy in London has recorded another video, and in your own time, you can choose to watch it or not to watch it. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about what is an exhaustion candlestick bar. As I promised to traders before, I will be recording more tutorials that will help traders to dispel all the misconceptions about candlestick pattern and candlestick bar trading. So stay tuned. This will not be the only topic that will be discussing the whole year, but I want to finish with this topic of candlestick pattern, candlestick bar trading. Once we finish with that, we'll move on to the next topic. So if you are already a master of a candlestick pattern trading, do not worry, we will be recording other tutorials that will be very useful to you. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.